Hi there. This video is to show you exactly what students see on their dashboard when they join Don't Snooze Academy. We have an example here. This is our self and social awareness mindset class. Students on the left here will be able to drop down the module. And first thing they get is a welcome address from their instructor.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to Don't Snooze Academy. I'm your instructor, Dr. Yetter. I'm so glad that you're joining us for one of these wonderful courses. Just a little housekeeping before we get started. As you move through the course, there will first be an introduction. You will then move into the course. During the course, that will be a presentation given by me, but there will also be some embedded videos and things to enhance your learning. At the end, you'll do a self-reflection to make sure that you got out of the course what you'd hoped to. Then, in the last section, there'll be extended resources and other things to enhance your learning. So without further ado, thank you for joining us, and please enjoy the course.
They also will get an overview
Hey
of
there!
how
In
to
this video,
operate.
I'm going to show you how to make your way around this online course. What you're looking at here is the course player. Yours might look a little different than mine here. Your instructor has probably customized this to make sure that you have the best learning.
It gives them a walkthrough of how to operate the entire dashboard. We then give them a pre-assessment. It's usually about 5 questions, true or false. We move
Very
into the
scary.
course.
And so
We move right into the course with the instructor, showing videos, asking questions, playing games. They then go into the post-assessment, where it's the same 5 to 10 questions so that we can assess whether the student has obtained the information that we're giving. And then at the very end, there's usually resources that the students can download or find on other websites in order to enhance their learning.